time slows down in gravity. We know from Einstein that my clock and your clock will not run at the same rate. Time, or rate of our clocks, depends on acceleration and/or gravity. If my clock accelerates, and/or is in a strong gravitational field, then it will run slower than your clock. The stronger the gravity/acceleration, the slower the time. So time is relative. Quran compares time on earth with time at paradise/hell, 1 day versus 1,000 years, while Quran compares time on earth with time in wormholes, 1 day versus 50,000 years. When angels travel by a wormhole, Ma'arij in Arabic, they experience different time than ours. Quran. The angels and the Spirit ascend to him in a day, the measure of which is 50,000 years. Here angels will experience 1 day while humans will measure it as 50,000 years, time versus time and not time versus distance. This can happen if angels pass through wormholes. This is a picture of a wormhole. Mobilize. The Quran says that angels use these wormholes to reach any place in the universe. An observer outside gravitational field sees those angels passing by him at 99.99999% of the speed of light, relativistic speeds, very close to the local speed of light, that is at 299,792.4579999 km/s. But when those angels enter the gravitational field of a wormhole, this observer still sees those angels entering the wormhole at 99.99999% of the speed of light. However, that would no longer be at 299,792.4579999 km/s. This is because in the presence of gravity the speed of light becomes relative. If he sees the speed of light in a wormhole at 10 meters/sec, for example, then he would see those angels traveling at only 9.999999 meters/sec, flapping their wings in slow motion, reddish in color and very dim, and in turn they would see him in fast motion, bluish in color and very bright. A smaller time dilation, say 100 or 1,000 years versus 1 day, can also occur if we stand on Earth and angels stand on a neutron star, or resist their fall into a neutron star. Gravitational time dilation. This makes their velocity relative to us to be 0, and not 299,792.4579999 km/s. But naturally occurring wormholes connect distant black holes. However, at a lower time dilation, 100 or 1,000 years versus 1 day, the two entrances of the wormhole cannot connect. Hence a wormhole cannot form. So with the time dilation stated in the Quran, 50,000 years versus 1 day, and the fact that angels are moving, then those angels have to be crossing a wormhole. The neutron star or any other scenario cannot do. Learn more, wormholes. How could an illiterate man who lived 1,400 years ago have known time dilation? According to the Christian Bible, David bought a plot of land on which the temple was to be built. 2 Samuel 24 verse 24 says the price was 50 shekels of silver. In 1 Chronicles 21 verse 25 says the price was 600 shekels of gold. So according to the Bible, money is relative.